Greetings, friends. My name is Vladimir Pilipenko, and I have extensive experience both in the field of banking investments and in trading on the Forex market. Over the years, I have gone through all the stages of trading, from early successes to difficult periods when mistakes led to losses. It took me years of practice and in-depth analysis to develop my own trading system that truly works. And my video material is not just theory, it's a concentrated distillation of my experience that will help you avoid common mistakes. Learn how to trade consistently and profit, use my knowledge or copy my trades. Or launch my bot, which trades according to my system. Many beginners enter Forex with unrealistic expectations. They think that it's enough to learn the basics, figure out how to open trades, do some basic chart analysis, and the market will immediately start making them money. But that's an illusion. Imagine motorsport. Millions of people have a driver's license, but only a few become Formula 1 champions. And no one is surprised that simply knowing how to drive doesn't make you a professional racer. To win a race, you need years of training, knowledge of the car's details, track analysis, teamwork, and risk management. And it makes sense that only a few become champions. But if you're willing to work on yourself and use proven methods, your chances of becoming one of them increase significantly. Let's start from the very beginning. What question do you ask yourself when you look at a chart? I conducted a survey among my fellow traders and students and found out that the most popular question is, where will the price go next? And there are a number of other questions that all boil down to the same thing. When is the best time to enter a trade? When is the best time to exit a trade? How long will this trend last? How deep will the drawdown be? But everyone is interested in where the price will go next. And if the right answer to this question were enough, there would be a lot more profitable traders. Trading is not about guessing. First and foremost, it's about making money. So the only correct question you should ask yourself when looking at any chart is how to get money out of it. And if you start thinking this way, this is your first step towards profitable trading. Forex trading uses various chart analysis methods. Fundamental. Technical, graphic, wave, various patterns. And over many years of practice, I have used almost all of them. And believe me, not a single one of them provides a stable, positive effect in the long run. In my opinion, statistics is the queen of all exact sciences. And in trading, you can't do without it. A mathematically precise approach based on probabilities is the foundation of my trading strategy, which I have built into my bot. Let's look at one example of how statistics is used in trading. When opening positions, traders usually set the stop-loss level 3 times lower than the take-profit level. In other words, they expect to make a profit 3 times greater than the loss they would take on that trade. What does the statistics tell us? The probability of reaching the stop-loss level with such a ratio is 120 times higher than that of the take-profit level. Just think about it, 120 times higher. If you set your stop-loss and take-profit at the same distance from the entry price, the probability of hitting the take-profit already approaches 50%, which isn't bad at all. In my own trading strategy, I use a method where my take-profit level is 3 times smaller than my stop-loss level. On the one hand, this might seem illogical. I'm willing to take a loss on each trade that's 3 times greater than the profit. But it's precisely this ratio that allows for stable long-term income, because the number of profitable trades is much higher than the losing ones. So what did I achieve as a result of using this trading strategy? First of all, I created an indicator based on artificial intelligence that determines the probability of reaching a particular price level for a specific symbol. Next, my trading bot uses the information from this indicator to open positions and set stop-loss and take-profit levels, taking into account the probability calculated by my indicator. As a result, this bot demonstrated an annual return of 650%. This means that if you start trading with $10,000, after a year your account will have $65,000. This bot is the result of my 18 years of experience, all combined into one powerful algorithm. If my approach resonates with you and you want to use my trading strategy and you're ready to take money from the market, download my indicator, buy my bot, launch it, and start earning income.